students. Now I'm back with another topic, that is islands. What is our topic now? Islands. I told you that the coastal plains are those areas which are located near the sea. Now what are islands? Islands are pieces of land which are surrounded by water on all sides. Okay, mean all the four directions, from all four directions. So islands. Island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. Now you can see, like, this is the southern part of our country. Yes, here Lakshadweep Island, and here Andaman and Nicobar. Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located. Okay, so island is a piece of land which is surrounded by water from all sides. Here also nothing, nothing, nothing and nothing. Then obviously it is surrounded by only water from all sides, so it will be called an island. Okay, now they have been divided into two parts. The islands have been divided into two groups. Okay, and these islands are not only one, these are the groups of islands. So they have been bifurcated into two islands. First is Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and second Lakshadweep Islands. Here Arabian Sea is there. So in Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep Islands are located, and in Bay of Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar Islands located. So I have written here this only, that in Bay of Bengal, Andaman and Nicobar, and Lakshadweep Islands in Arabian Sea. Okay. So now what is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands? The capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, that is Port Blair. That is Port Blair. And it includes, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands include 500 islands. 500 plus islands they include. Mean there are around 500 plus islands here which have been included in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And they cover the area of how much? 8,000 kilometer square. Okay, how much? 8,000 kilometer square. Now the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands have also been divided into two parts. Okay, the northern part, that is called Andaman Islands, and the southern part is called Nicobar Islands. So upper side these are Andaman, and southern side these are Nicobar. So there is a point which divides the Andaman Islands and the Nicobar Islands into two parts, and that is called 10-degree channel. 10-degree channel. So Andaman Islands and Nicobar Islands, these are separated by 10-degree channel, and these are covered with dense forest. These both islands, they are covered with dense forest. Okay, and there are so many islands. We can say 100 plus islands, 500 plus islands in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, but few of them, only a few of them are inhabited. It means inhabited means which where in only in a few parts, only in a few islands people live there. Okay, it means they are inhabited by people or lived by people. Okay, so only a few are inhabited. Now here is a point that is called Indira Point. I think you have listened about it also, that the southernmost tip of India, that is called Indira Point. Where? Indira Point, that is the southernmost tip. Okay, and here Indira Point is located, and that is called Indira Point. But in the earlier times, so many years ago, it was known as Pygmalion Point. Okay, Pygmalion Point, but now it is known as Indira Point. Now Barren island. In our country, in our India, there is one island which is, we can say, ki active volcano. Active volcano means from which magma, or we can say ki lava, is continuously emerging. It means उसमें से lava coming outside. Okay, so lava or magma is emerging from that volcano, and every time lava is emerging, so that volcano is called active volcano. Okay, and what is the India's only active volcano? When this is the only one which is India's active volcano, which is called Barren Islands, that is in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay, and what are their occupations? Their occupations are farming and fishing. Farming and fishing. I don't think there is any part in our country where farming is not the occupation of the people living there. Every place, at every place, I mean, vegetation is done there, or some crops are cultivated there. So farming is the main occupation of our country. Around 65 to 66% of the people, of the population of our country, depend on agriculture or farming. So these are the two main occupations of the people living here. Now shells and wooden handicrafts work. Fishing is also, yes, because it is near sea. And in the sea we can find shells also. So shell and wooden handicrafts work is also done there. Now here are some crops which are cultivated here. These are rice, coconut, fruits and vegetables. In coastal plains and the islands, the rice will be the most cultivated crops. Rice will be most cultivated crop. Okay, so rice, coconut, fruits and vegetables are cultivated here. I hope this is clear to you all. And now climate. What is the type of climate is experienced by the people who are living in Andaman and Nicobar Island? So there is warm but pleasant. Warm. There we can find warm, mean bilkul garam. But pleasant. How pleasant? If there is warm, then how pleasant? Now you know very well that Andaman and Nicobar Islands, they are located near the sea. Yes, in Bay of Bengal they are located. So if the winds are blowing from the sea, if the winds are blowing from the sea above water, then obviously the wind will be cold. Yes, ठंडी हो जाएगी obviously. So the cold air, that is called breeze. Okay, so because of the breeze, their climate remains pleasant. ठंडी हमारी चल रही है, breeze चल रही है, then obviously the climate will be pleasant, not warm. And the main point here, this part receives rains for 7 to 8 months in a year. Okay, and there is a place in our country which receives almost 10 months of rainfall in a year. I mean 12 months में से 10 months rainfall, and that part is Meghalaya Mawsyn Ram. Okay, Mawsyn Ram of Meghalaya, which is called the wettest place of our country or earth. Okay, so that part receives 10 months of rainfall, whether Andaman and Nicobar, that part receives rain for 7 to 8 months in a year. So this was Andaman and Nicobar Islands.
Now we are discussing about our islands. Okay, there are two groups of islands, and these are, first is Andaman and Nicobar, and second is Lakshadweep. Okay, so this is Lakshadweep. These are so many islands. Okay, छोटे छोटे islands अलग अलग हैं, that's why, and they have been altogether given a name that is called Lakshadweep. Okay, so these all islands are collectively known as Lakshadweep group of islands. And second, that is this. These all are Andaman and Nicobar islands. And बीच में ये part, okay, ये part, that is called 10-degree channel, जो कि that divides Andaman and Nicobar islands. Okay, so this is Lakshadweep islands and these are Andaman and Nicobar islands.
We will discuss here about Lakshadweep islands. Okay, the part of islands, Lakshadweep islands. So Lakshadweep islands are located in Arabian Sea. Where? In Arabian Sea. Yes, and its capital is Kavatti. Its capital is Kavatti. And Lakshadweep islands as a group of 30 plus islands. How many? 30 plus islands. We can say that there are around 36 islands. Okay, and they cover an area of 32 kilometer square. How much? 32 kilometer square. And there is an island in Lakshadweep islands, that is Minikoi, and it is called the second largest island. Okay, it is called the second largest island, and it is composed of coral deposits. What are corals? These are the hard skeletons of marine animals. So what is marine animal? Marine means related to which live in water body, in water. Okay, so they are called coral, marine animals, and the skeleton of these animals are called coral. So it is composed of coral deposits. And what are the main occupations here of the people? They are fishing and farming. These are fishing and farming. And what are the main crops grown here, cultivated here? These are coconut, rice, banana and vegetables. Yes. And what is the type of climate what is experienced here in the Lakshadweep islands? That is, it experiences warm climate. What type of climate? Warm climate. Their days are warm but nights are pleasant. Why? Because of the breeze of the sea. Clear? I told you in Andaman and Nicobar islands also. And here in Lakshadweep islands also, pleasant nights are pleasant because of the breeze of the sea. And they rains heavily in the rainy season. And which season? In the rainy season. So now this chapter is over. I hope this chapter is clear to you all. It's not very tough chapter. It's easy if you have listened to me carefully, if you have paid attention to me and what I'm telling to. Okay, if you have paid attention, then obviously it will be clear to you all. Now I'm giving you some questions of their answers. You have to write in your class of notebook and share it in your group. So bye bye, take care and have a good day.